Welcome to the GRA GTA Scholarship Approvals tutorial. To access your GRA GTA Scholarship Approvals, log into MySFA, navigate to the Employee tab, locate the Approvals portlet, then select the GRA GTA Scholarship Approvals link. In this example, there are several applicants on this screen. If there was only one applicant, there would not be a list. It would only pull up the application itself in the queue. For this example, we'll select the first student and click Submit. The first step would be to approve or disapprove. If I were to click Approve, the justification will now be required. You cannot submit without entering a justification. If it's disapproved, there is no need for the justification and you would just submit. That application is now out of your queue. If there's a student that has both a graduate research and a graduate teaching position, such as this one, the first step, as always, is to either approve or disapprove. So we'll hit approve, and then we'll have to provide a justification. For the graduate teaching assistant, we'll have to select courses that the student will be teaching. At least one course has to be selected. Once you've completed this information, hit submit, and it's now routed to the graduate school.